Hello, everyone, and welcome to the lounge with me, Amanya. I'm so happy that you're here today. And you guys, I have a new hairstyle, but this video is not about this style. Today, we're talking pork chops. And so, if you're interested in seeing how I make easy pork chops in my cast iron pot in the oven, stay tuned for that. So, you guys, pork chops is not something that I gravitate to because I really try not to eat meat that way, but I stick with fish more and seafood. But every now and then, I gotta get me some big man. I got to get me some pork chops. So today, I wanted to make that and show you guys. It is so simple. So all I'm doing is I'm grabbing my cast iron pot and I'm gonna clean my pork chops with vinegar. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit so it can clean it up. And then we're going to just put on our favorite spices: black pepper, paprika, Goya spices, and all of that awesomeness. Really, just whatever you'd like, but these are the spices that I use. And so you cover it up, stick it in the oven. It has to maybe about an hour or so. Actually, mine was a little bit overdone, so maybe 45 minutes, I kind of forgot it was in there. So anyway, but yeah, pork chops, easy, breezy, no problem. I paired this up with some yellow beans and rice, and what else? And some green beans. Pair it up with whatever you'd like. You can do quinoa, you can do mashed potatoes, whatever you'd like. This is an easy meal. This is really just about the pork chops. I don't make the sides on here, but I do plate it up, and you do see that of those other items. So let's get into how I made these delicious pork chops.